The last decade or so opened up the world of design to a myriad of new creatives. With the internet, crowdsourcing, and more intuitive and open-source digital tools and services, most anyone with a laptop, a few design programs, and a mobile phone can enter the creative world as a freelance designer. More design has infiltrated our global world than at any other time in history. It has commoditized creativity. If you're a designer, you've seen it, felt it. You've lost out to projects overseas, or poor quality design, or worse, lower prices. How do you stand out in this new oversaturated environment? The answer to bad design, commoditized creativity, and an ever-shrinking project budget is you. Introducing Hive, your virtual and global art director. We believe that you have the skills, the drive, and the passion to make the difference the design world needs. You just might need an expert in your corner. At Hive, we'll take your work and your ideas and make them better, pushing you beyond your boundaries, past your limits. We've done it for countless other designers, and our team has made millions in their own design worlds. Now, we're bringing all that skill, creativity, and history to your projects. For a small fee, we'll assess your work, offer suggestions, tweak your designs, and map out new visual and story strategies. The bottom line, the better your design, the more opportunities you can have. The bigger clients you can generate. The more revenue you have the capacity to earn. Sure, we could compete with you, but we'd rather inspire you to new heights and new creative visions. And if we think you have what it takes, we'll personally add you to our Hive Elite community, where we provide our elite team members with projects with real fixed commissions. Join Hive today and discover with just a little help just how powerful a designer you can be.